Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to check the list, string, dictionary and tuple collection of objects are empty or not. I will show you different methods in Python. So let's start the tutorial. Let's check the final output. I want to check the collection of objects. Here I have a list, string, tuples and dictionary. I want to check the data contains empty or not. Python check empty or not.py, the file name, enter. And notice here for the list is empty. The string collection contains my name is Charan. Tuple is empty and dictionary is empty. Suppose if I add the dictionary 34, some string contains Charan and list also contains 3, 4 and 7. Only the tuple 1 is empty. Now let's save this file. I will check the object contains empty or not. The command is python my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. The list contains 347.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial I am using Visual Studio Code. Now let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop. The folder name is a Python-tutorials. Now select the folder and here the Python-tutorials folder is added to our VS Explorer. Now the next step, we need to add one new file called check empty or not.py, and here the newly created file is open. Now my aim is I want to check all the collection of objects which are the list, string, tuple and dictionary contains any objects or not. With different methods I will show you. First let's add the list one object contains empty. List contains the square brackets and string 1 str1 which is a string. Collection of objects is, let's add my name is Charan. My name is Charan. And third one is a tuple tup1. Tup1 is equals to tuple contains brackets and dictionary dictn is equals to dictionary contains a square bracket, curly brackets. Now first thing I want to check the list collection of objects contains empty or not using the length. Using the length property I am using length for list. If length is a method contains the list 1, the variable name is not equals to 0, which means the list 1 contains some data. I want to print the list collection contains list 1. In the else part, print the list is empty. Now I want to implement if not condition for the string collection. If not, string object, string variable double equals to empty. If it's empty, print the string contains. Instead of adding the same thing, I'll put this thing here. Wherever the list I am adding the string, and this is the string 1 and this is string is empty. I have used if not condition for the string to check the collection is available or not, the data is empty or not in the string. Now I am using Boolean type for tuple. For tuples, if bull is a method, I'm adding tup1 print if data contains, let's paste this one, tuple collection tup1, and this tuple is empty. For the tuple, I have using boolean type to check the data, if any data collection of objects is available in the tuple or not. It's empty. And the last one, for dictionary, I am using if condition for dictionary. If, what is the variable for the dictionary? dictn, dictionary. I want to print, again paste that one, the dictionary collection contains this one, dictionary of variable, and dictionary is empty. That's it. We have done the coding part. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view and click terminal. And here we got the terminal to check the output. Let's check the final output. I want to check the collection of objects. Here I have a list, string, tuples, and dictionary. I want to check the data contains empty or not. Python check empty or not.py, the file name, enter. And notice here, for the list is empty. The string collection contains my name is Charan. Tuple is empty and dictionary is empty. Suppose if I add the dictionary 34, some string contains Charan, and list also contains 3, 4 and 7. Only the tuple 1 is empty. Now let's save this file. I will check the object contains empty or not. The command is python my file name.py, enter. And notice here we got the output. The list contains 3, 4, 7. My name is empty, and the tuple is empty here. We got empty here, and the dictionary contains the data, whatever the objects are there. If I remove from the string, let's save this file again. We'll check another output. Now the string is empty. Only the tuple contains these objects. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained different methods, different ways. I have explained how to find the collection of objects are empty or not. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.